Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video guys, we will create a Java program to display an image of inverted triangle. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So one of my subscribers sent me this picture now of an inverted triangle. We have a series of 0 and then there is a 1 in the middle. Okay, so we will solve this problem. Let us go to our Eclipse IDE. So in order to create that image of inverted triangle in Java, so we will be using for loop statement. About Eclipse, no, I'm using Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So here we have intro 8, and then we have a for loop statement for I equals 1 or I equals rows increment, and then we have a nested loop. We print space here. Then in this portion of our code, another for loops in nested loop, and then we display 0, and then this code, no, another looping statement to display 1, and then another loop statement to display 0, new line here, and then horizontal tab 1, no, the end of the last one value, no, to display, and then we close. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our inverted triangle in Java. Let us run our code. Okay, so we have here the output, no? So we have here the inverted triangle with 1 and 0. Actually, most of the sample programs that you can find over the internet, it is all 0 or single image. The challenging part, no, is to put 1 in the middle. Okay, so that's it, no? So I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video on how to create inverted triangle using for loop statement in Java programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you do like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.